Hi you guys, this is Twitchy Witch. I have some boxes to do, and I'm way behind. This is February, and these are all January stuff. I actually got more in the bedroom that I need to do. And so here goes. I'm going to start with a couple of giveaways that I got. This one here is some specs on here. Katie's Corner of the World. I won one of her, she was doing Christmas Vlogmas, and I won day 19. So, I'm going to show you what I won, and I have another one here too. Now, I did go ahead and open these because, yeah, people are kind of worried about things like this, so let me show you what I won. I'm just going to dump it out here on the table. Here, let me do it like this. Whoa. And by the way, thank you, Katie. I really enjoy your videos. We got greens made from original greens. Original, 1 tablet. Dietary supplement. This will be interesting. That's a big tablet. But, yeah. That's a big old tablet. And then we got number 7, Advanced Retinol and Night Concentrate. I've actually had this before, and this is a really good one. And I used the last one that I got, so thank you for that, Katie. And we got from Sephora a C plus E, vitamin C and E plus C and E vitamin super serum. Every AM on a clean or dry face and neck. Thank you. I've never tried that. That'd be interesting. Aw, I got a little telephone charm thingy, keychain thing. Oh, it was from Ipsy. I'll actually put that on my keychains with the rest of them. I got Peter Thomas Roth, a water drench hydratic glow serum, clean skincare. That'd be cool to try. Thank you. Oh, here, let me show you what it looks like up close. Okay. Bloom serum, Beekman 1802. Probiotic moisture. That'd be nice to try. Thank you. Super Smile, a whitening teeth. Oh, it's like a strip. I don't think it did my teeth much good because they're pretty well shot. A moisturizing cream, a 3 essential hydrated hyaluronic acid. Interesting. Thank you. Let's see, we got some Verb Ghost Oil, soothing moisturizing blend. Oh, it's for the hair. It might help my hair, I don't know. And then we got Career Line Acid Pill, Glycolic Acid, Phytic Acid, and Retinol. Oh, it's for the face. That's a pretty bottle. I like that. Thank you. Again. Let's get these other little tubies over here. A pH balanced cleanser from yeah. Remove and refresh glycolic acid. Okay. I like these little things because you can always try something, see if you like it. Pumpkin extreme mask. It's pumpkin. Another Peter Thomas Ross. That'll be interesting. A Beekman 1802 chapstick or something interesting. And Twinkle. Thank you. Here we got some more goodies over here. Dr. Loretta Detox Mask. Thank you. Ulta Beauty Makeup Setting Spray. That smells really good. Interesting. And then we got something Brooks here. Lander Brooks. Just cheek color. Petals. Ooh. Okay. It's very pretty. And I got it on me. Thank you. That'd be fun to try those. And Cancun. Awesome. You guys have to excuse me. I got a slight little runny nose here. Allergies and stuff. Tantatic. A sleek powder. Oh, it's like a little trial thing. Interesting. Thank you. And then we got Garlin Paris Floral. I don't know. I'll have to really look into this one. But thank you. It'd be interesting to try. And I got Herbal Essex shampoo and conditioner. I love these type things, especially when you travel or you want to try something different. And then we got a few more little things here. A face oil. And I think I got one of these before, and these are really, really dinky little bottles. Yep, it is. It's a tiny little bottle. Thank you. You're gonna have to excuse. I have cats and they're trying to get up here. And then we have Zooey Organics Green Clay Mask. 13 grams. It's okay, I guess. I don't really have a smell. And then we got one last thing here, Body Moisture Lavender Grapefruit, all skin type, excuse me. Made simple, raw, veggie, non-GMO. Don't mean to scare you guys with these, but yeah, I want to take a peek. Smells good. It really does. It looks like that's like a cream. Thank you, Katie, to Katie's Little Corner of the World. I enjoyed this so very much. I haven't won anything in a very long, super long time, and being able to win a little something was really awesome. And I enjoy watching your videos and your daughter. And yeah, I really did. And I'm glad that you're feeling better and that you got over the COVID. Sorry, got cats running around. But thank you, and bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because it helps me come out with, by liking us, it really helps get our videos out, and it helps to bring content to y'all. And don't forget to push and put the bell on down below, and I will put her page, her YouTube channel down below. So bye, you guys.